Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing the Galaxy nails, following on from yesterday's video where I swatched the Varnail Firefly Forest Magnetic Cat Eye gel polishes. Didn't quite have enough time to do a design at the end of that video, so yeah, I thought I'd break it down into two videos. So this is part 2. For anyone that hasn't seen yesterday's video, I shall leave the link to that one at the end of this one. So if you want to go over and take a look at the swatches, you can do. So I've pulled out 4 tips and I'm going to give all 4 tips a coat of Varnail's black stamping polish. I don't have Varnail's black gel polish, so I use this as a gel polish. In fact, it probably does a better job because it is super pigmented. Look how pigmented that is after one coat, and it applies so smooth and effortlessly. It's really nice to apply. Right, so that's all fully cured. Now I'm going to go in with the Varnail's Mystic Journey. I'm going to give that a full coat. Then I'm taking that extra strong magnet and I'm just going to give it a little wiggle and bring that colour out. Pop that in the lamp to cure. And then on the other two, we're going to give them a full coat of Magic Wings. But I'll just show you me doing the one now, guys, because the other one's going to be the exact same. Pop that in the lamp. Right, so they are the blue ones. And now I'm going to do a little circle here of the purple. I don't think that's going to work though. I don't think it's going to work. You can see a little bit, but not a lot. Right, scrap that idea for a minute. I'll wipe that off there for a sec. Right, so I'm using that blank stamping gel again. I'm going to paint a circle. Same on this one. I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. Now we'll go in with Magic Wings. Now I'm not applying that to the whole of that black circle, I'm only applying it to the outer rim. And then again with that ultra strong magnet, I'm just going to bring the colour out make it all nice and bright, and then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure. Now we're going to be using the Varnail white stamping gel. Using a detailer brush, I'm just going to paint the outline to the moon first. Then we're going to pull through that white line. I popped a little bit of base coat on my brush. I'm just going to use that to kind of blend this a little bit. I don't want it so intense in the middle. Perfect. Perfect. That is the look I was going for. Now I'm just going to pop a couple of stars on here as well. So to do stars, I'm just going to do a dot there, dot there, and dot there. And I'll just do the odd little one like that. And then using an ultra fine brush, I'm going to pull through them dots. I'm going to do them slightly longer lines on the top and the bottom and slightly shorter on the left and right. And that's how you do your 4 pointed stars. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. And we're going to do some stars on this one. Right, so I'm going to be sugaring this now with some glitter. So I pulled out this sample from the Colours World, and I'm going to be using this to sprinkle into that nail. So it's item number TCR409 or search number TCT679. So to apply the glitter, I'm going to give this nail a generous coat of base coat. I wasn't sure whether I was going to leave this glitter sugared or whether I was going to encapsulate it. So if I knew that I was going to leave it sugared, I would have used a no wipe top coat instead of a base coat. Wow, that glitter is beautiful, isn't it? I definitely need a full bag of that. Definitely. That's why I like these little samples. They're great for just doing one nail, aren't they? I like it. And it's alright seeing them on the website or seeing them in a bag, but you can never really get a good feel for them until you see them on a nail. That is beautiful, and it's going to match this set perfect. Well happy with that. So I'm going to give that a double cure in the lamp, guys. So I'll give that a 60-second cure just to make sure it cures through all that glitter. Right, guys, so they are now all ready for some top coat. I'm not going to top coat this one because I'm going to leave this sugared. I like the effect of it sugared. So let's get these top coated, shall we? I'm really debating, do I go matte or shiny? I'm kind of feeling matte, but I don't have a Varnail matte top coat, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm thinking matte, you know. I am feeling matte. I'm thinking matte. So I'm going to have to use another brand of matte top coat today. Right, guys, change of plan. I actually preferred them shiny, you know. I like them. I think they look proper smart, actually, to be fair. But I just think you can see, like, the purple around the moon better when they're shiny. Can't really see that purple around the moon when they're matte. So, change of plan, we're going shiny. Actually, I've had an even better idea. Actually, I think I might keep the moon matte and then do the rest shiny. I think that would look pretty cool, don't you? Yeah, let's try that. Perfect. Give that a cure. That is them all finished, guys. What do you think? Oh, they're so sparkly, aren't they? They're so sparkly. I like them. Yeah, I like them. So, that is the nails, and that is all the swatches. These are beautiful, aren't they? I actually can't believe how beautiful they are over a clear as well. Like I said earlier, I'm not usually keen on cat eyes over a clear. I think they look well smart. And the bottles, the packaging is all really, really pretty. Really, really liking these new mini collections. And the bristles on the brushes. Oh my days, I'm loving them new DuPont bristles. I'm dying to actually try them on my nails to see what they like applying it in the cuticle area. But I can imagine it's going to be so much easier than normal. So yeah, that's everything, guys. Like I normally do, I shall leave the links to this collection in my description box. I have got a 25% off discount code for Varnail as well, which is GG30. I shall leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Varnail website. So all you got to do is click the website link and it will take you straight on over there. Nice and easy. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.